Whoa, see, it's down again. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As you'll see, we're out again. We've got Attar in front on his mighty 300L, showing us how it's done. And up in front we've got Simeon on the British built Triumph, the one we've just had to rebuild, but that's another subject for another day. We've got Mark with us on another Triumph, and then the only decent Triumph in the pack is Sharon's, the 400, the mighty 400 XC. So we're off to the peaks again. As you can see, the weather is absolutely pants as per usual. That was bloody deep, that. Jesus. My front tyre just sank into that stone then. Was this gate open or closed? Sound. Cheers, lads. Cheers. I just want to get ahead, get some recording. If you can hear me, Sharon, I'm just going to come through on your right. Oh, the end of the lane. Back brake down there, Sharon, back brake, just one finger. Whoa.
Alright.
It is slippy, this grass. Yeah, she needs to learn the one finger scenario on the front brake though, Sim. Right, are you in gear? You're in gear. Right, she's in gear. She's in gear, she's fine. Right, get your stand down. Get your stand down. That's it, lean it over. Right. Right. Right, now jump on it, Sharon. Go on, I've got you so it won't go anywhere. Right, you right? Go on, I've got you still, so, but get your feet, get your stand up. Go on, front brake on and get your stand up. I'm going to lean you over. That's it. Right, that's it. Right, now me personally, everyone's different. This what you got to remember here now is me and Sim are going to tell you differently. So depending on, he's got really knobbly tyres on. I've got the same tyres as you, and that grass is slippy on them tyres, so it's up to you. I'm not saying Sim's wrong, I'm not saying I'm right. Me personally, I just stick down the left ear, nice and steady there, but that's up to you. But remember, do not grab an handful, just not one finger, just let it bite, using your back brake as well, yeah? Don't grab an handful or you'll be off. Go nice and steady, Sharon. If I put an handful on this now, it slips on this tyre. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just concerned that she grabs an handful panicking, you see. Right, Sharon, now this is the perfect time to get up on the pegs. So look ahead and just go for it and get up. Let that clutch out as quick as.
Don't go in the middle, Sharon.
Right, now get up on the pegs, Sharon. Whoa, see, it's down again. She's come off again. Yeah, this isn't for this is too slippy.
It's fast, but I've heard. She's not getting hurt.
I know she has hurt herself, mate. She's hurt her leg. Yeah, she trapped the bike under her leg.
Okay.
Just wait there, Sharon. Sharon, just wait there. Don't try anything. Right, you're right, Sharon. Sharon, just sit down. Just relax your leg. Right. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Right, can you just flick that stand down? Right, lean it over. Right. No, don't do that. I'll straighten it up. How do you start this? Me. I did this on my Africa Twin the other way round. And you know where Sharon's just come off? You
can see now Sim's trying to turn his bike round. He wanted to set me back up the hill for my bike, but that weren't happening.
get up on your pegs. That's it, and just feather your front brake.
So we all made it down to the bottom of this lane, and Sharon had actually hurt her foot, potentially broken her toe. So she decided, well, she made the call and she rode back on her own, and we carried on. So what was 5 become 4.
I'm going right in a minute. I'm letting you know where we're going. You have to, because Sim don't tell you. Some walkers coming up, guys. I've let them know, but there's 3 other bikers coming along. I should have said there's 2 bikers and Sim coming, shouldn't I? Cheers, mate. Oh. Oh, fuck off. No. No. Oh, man, my fucking heart went then. You fucker. Oh, we need to slow down, because fucking hell. Oh. Honestly, my heart went. My fucking heart went. I'm still coming back from that, you twat.
I've lost my fucking stand.
Oh, your stand extender. No, he hasn't. He's winding me up, the fucker. Yeah, yeah. All the way down, yeah. Yeah, no, no. Pull it down. Yeah, just keep it pinned, get your weight off. You what? Little lads, you alright? Well, mate, you alright? Piece of piss. I need to do that together uphill. Right, just keep your distance here now, Attar, from me.
Yeah, don't worry. I think I've done this one before with the TRF through the East Army.
Yeah. You wouldn't want to come up it, would you, on beginners? I'm going to come past you. Oh, right, he's gone. Right, you in gear?
I am. Second gear.
That's it. Go on, you jump on it. Don't straighten your bars up yet until you're on. You straighten them up and try and get on, it rolls off. You on? Right. Don't look at this, ignore this. Look at your clearest line and go for it. Yeah? And get up on your pegs. That's it. Up on your pegs, up. Back brake, slow it down. Feather the front, feather the front. Yeah, I'm sound. I'm just pissed off because I don't like going behind on gnarly shit. I just like to just go. Yeah, that was me. Yeah. See, the problem is with me and you know, with us hips, yeah, you've come off. Spud is off. Spud is off. Right. Oh. Right, just stay there, Mark.
So Spud, that's the one behind Fat Boy. He's just dropped his Tiger. Attar at the top there, he's crying. He wants, I think he's shouting his mum help or something, but anyway, look, it's like going out with the flids, isn't it? Here they come, look. The wounded, the mortally wounded.
I'm not wounded.
Yeah, you are. You're wounded in the skull.
permanently wounded. I'm wounded in the head.
And Spud here, look, bless him, he's dropped his bike twice on this little trail.
On this fucking bit of a trail.
Yeah. He has twisted his leg, there's no two ways about that. And he's got really stupid hand grips on his bike. But other than that, everything's fine. Attar, look, let's watch this in case we get a laugh.
The skill.
We might get a laugh here.
Nah, get that, the skill.
No.
Just keep going, Attar.
Absolutely, this is Dakar. This is Dakar material.
Dakar at its
Yeah.
finest.
Dakar at its finest there, Attar.
We're wobbling all the way down.
Yeah. So this has got to go on the video and tag his missus in.
Yeah, I'll take
Zara.
the message
He's
in.
not on Facebook, thank fucking God.
Yeah.
The one thing you can't tag her in is anyone injured.
So Mark's really pissed off, right? Because anyway, I do get it. He dropped his bike and see there on the little end. Let's have a look. See that little tiny scratch in his. So he's a bit pissed off, bless him. Yeah. That's it. No, that is it. No, the bike is still fine, and that is it. Yes.
I didn't drop it. Let's have it be known. I tried to lie it on the banking to help others in despair.
No.
And it
I know, but
slipped down the
joking aside,
banking.
joking aside, for someone who's just had a bloody pelvis replacement, yeah, you did well, Mark. I'll give you that. We're going to give him 9 out of 10. Actually, a 9.5.
Fuck off! I did it yesterday.
And that is for entertainment value.
I did it on my own yesterday.
Right, say goodbye, Mark. Say goodbye.
Bye. Time, enjoy it, complete it.
In one
If you are called Simeon. What you do is you ride like a knob, you bottom out your bike, and you end up having to go get your pickup and take your bike home. Don't you, Sim? Huh? You know it's true. And we've just got overzealous there, and you've just bottomed it out again.
I can't help it if the throttle sticks on the other occasion. I can't.
The throttle sticks. Right. It sounds all right to me now. That. Do you know what has disappeared? That ticking.
Yeah, do you know what? I know it has. Within
I think it's bedded in, hasn't it? The exhaust.
a minute of riding it.
Yeah.
I think you'd have to watch it while it's off. So anyway, it's gone.
Yeah.
How long
But-
were you
What are you guys
waiting?
waiting?
I've been here about 10 minutes, mate.
Half an hour at least. See that dead man over there? Well, he died years ago.
Yeah. Well, we were talking to him. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, did you see that trailer?
Yeah.
That trailer was new.
Yeah, brand new guy.
I was brand new when we got here.
Yeah, funny.
Yeah. Straight on. Funny. Hey up, I nearly fucking went into the field then because I'm laughing. Yeah, she come up this bank in no messing Macarena yesterday. Straight off the main road. Yeah, straight off the main road. Straight up it. Oh, well chuffed with her. I'll take some doing for a new rider turning into this. Fucking hell, guys. I think you two need to open your fucking eyes. Fuck's sake. That's alright, just you carry on, don't fucking wait for me, like. Yeah, I'm waiting for the cars, not like you, pull out in front of them. There's a woman coming down at our I don't think you want to take beginners up there. So I just want fucking the girls to be able to master shit like this. I want the girls to be able to master shit like this. Yeah. Yeah, because they're not using momentum. It's fucking belter this, mate. Belter. Enjoy that. Yeah, cracking little lane that, mate. Yeah. Yeah. There's another one coming. Yeah, this is miserable. That makes sense. Yeah, to ride with people who can ride. I think I've just clipped my rim on this. Just clipped it on a fucking rock. Bastard. There you go. Just felt Joe nicked off the edge of a rock. That's mint, that. Enjoyed that. That was awesome. Yeah, that was mint. You alright? Right, go on. That's low. Thoroughbreds with a candle for a light.
Yeah, the light was.
Yeah. Right, take it easy, mate. It's been a pleasure. I'll just follow this reprobate home now.